Hello everyone. We're going to be working on Lorpub. Boutique, specifically. Okay, so let's have a look at where things are at. So I don't know that I'm necessarily going to get it done in one night, but I'm going to start attacking the shipwire and physical product integration. The basic task I have for this is this guy, and it's not super descriptive, so I might want to map out some subtasks or something like that. If you're chewing the background, sorry. I gave my dogs bones before starting streaming today, and the dogs are gnawing away. Well, alright, one of them is gnawing away. The other one is just kind of lying down next to his bone looking sad. I don't really know why. Okay. So yeah, I might need to break down this physical products shipwire integration thing. So fortunately, Alexis Avalin's actually written the client, which is pretty great. And I'm going to need to log into my shipwire account to get my keys for this, so I'm going to need to do that off screen actually. I should have done it before, I'm sorry. Okay, Alexis very kindly did some work on the library recently, because he knew I was going to be puttering around. Yeah, it looks like he did quite a bit. Wow. He's been busy. Fixed a test. Worked on orders, I think. And added another usage example. Which one? Oh, okay, yeah. Order example. Some cleanup. Okay, cool. Okie dokie then. Okay, so I need to figure out few things here. So one thing I'm going to do is add this as an extra dep. Dun, 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 dun. And change that to get Zeppelin ballast.get, and it looks like wow, alright, did the right thing, it looks like. Alright, so it looks like what Alexi had to do was sign up for the shipwire beta. Alright, got logged into the beta account. So, tests. Partial invoice value. Sandbox, warehouse overview, add a warehouse named test warehouse. Let me see. Add my warehouse, test warehouse. Automated order routing. Yes. Okay. Accept the accurate dimensions agreement by creating a dummy product. Okay. So I will go ahead and move this over because I don't think it has secure information anymore. Let me see here. Okay. Alright, those tests will be useful. Creating a dummy product. I already have one, I think. Status not in use. Edit? Okay. I think everything's done. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, sure. Taxi says, "Hey Taxi, how you doing?" They said, "I still want not having to specify get hashes for Git-based extra deps, at least for development." I don't, but I feel you. Let me see here. So install stack. So I just need to get the keys now, I think. Okay. Well, I guess we're back to me having to do it off screen. Sorry about that, everybody. I gotta get these keys and put them in my environment. Shipping, billing, third-party connectors, account access. API. And third-party connectors. I don't think I want the multi-user stuff. Developers. Sandbox shipwire. Yep. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. That's ugly. Ugh, I forgot they did this. They actually have you put your username and password in a basic auth header, as a base64 encoded, it's not encrypted or anything. Man, that is upsetting. Okay, so I forgot about that. Oh God, help me. All right. So I'm gonna quit this. And lorepub. All right. So I need to lorepub. Dun, dun, dun. And let's see here. Have I? Okay. Dun, dun, dun. I think this is the one I always use. Pretty sure. Dum dum dum. Gotta remember to use overload strings. Alright, so I think that's done now. So now what I can do is add these credentials to these settings. So this is going to be lorepub auth, not lorepub, shipwire. That's going to be env lp shipwire creds or null. Okay, so I need to take a look at settings and app shipwire creds, call it auth. Alright, so text, let's have a look at what Ballast expects. Shipwire config sandbox env config. Shipwire user, shipwire pass. Okay. Shipwire config. Okay. Alrighty then. So the way this works, shipwire config is this pulls everything together itself. Yeah. Okie doke. Alright, so we'll split these things apart. So it's going to be shipwire host, user, and password. Okay. And then shipwire host is going to be sandbox or production. That's my okay. All right. Shipwire. I think we can synthesize this a little bit. So shipwire config, and that's going to be import ballast dot types. Okey-doke. So, sorry, I should introduce what Shipwire is. They're essentially shipping and fulfillment as an API. They are actually a subsidiary of Ingram, who does, they're not going to print our book, but they print a lot of people's books. They print, I think they do all the print on demand for O'Reilly, I want to say. Anyway, so, turns out I didn't need that. The ballast library will do it for me. And I'm going to reload that, make the val, and fix this. Failed to load interface for ballast types. Yeah, I guess it helps if I add it to the package YAML, huh? Ballast. I'm not going to specify a version. Only one dependency I didn't have already. Either unwrap, huh? What is this? Oh, just bag of utilities. Cool. Alrighty then. Close these bad boys up. Dun 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 dun. Alrighty then. Texie says they've been alright. That's good. Working on a connection schema for WebSockets. How about yourself? I am doing good. I will be doing better when the physical shipping integration is done. Really want this off my back, because once I get this done, once I get the physical shipping thing done, I have all this easy stuff I can just go after. And it'll feel really good checking a bunch of stuff off. Support configurable, job timeouts. Nothing new. Okay. And then Taxi said they cringed. It's at least a secure connection, right? Yeah. Yeah, it is. I'm pretty certain Ballast handles TLS for the client. Let's double check. Ballast.com. Oh, yeah, it uses TLS. Okay, so let's talk about a little design pattern. This compiled and should not have, right? Because we weren't actually providing this value, and it's implicitly partial. I really like using record wildcards, but I'm not okay with partial functions. So, turns out, what I had historically done for this is I would just put a bang to make all these strict fields. And I would just go through and do that one by one. However, if you have GC, I think it's 8.0 or newer, you can just do strict data. And it should give me a compile time error. Yep, there we go. And it tells me what I'm missing. App shipwire config. Very good. Alright, so now what I can do is do okay, I actually have to fix this first. We're not going to default this to null. We're going to default this to sandbox, I think. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to default that to sandbox, and that's going to be app lorpub user app lorpub path. So why do I keep replacing shipwire with lorpub? Lordy. Alright, app shipwire host, and then we're going to make a little thing for this. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so this is shipwire user, shipwire pass, shipwire host, and constructor. Yeah, I know. Alright, so make shipwire config, and that's going to be, I don't know, text to shipwire config, and user pass host shipwire config. Come to think, is this using strict data? No, it's not. Something to think about. Shipwire host, username, and password. Okay. So shipwire host is just shipwire production or sandbox. Shipwire host equal case host of sandbox shipwire sandbox production shipwire production default to shipwire sandbox. We don't break things, and then that's gonna be host equals shipwire host, and then we need to do shipwire user equals, and then what's whoops, it's just a byte string, it looks like. Okay. Username encode UTF-8 user shipwire pass equals new type password. That's also, it's actually a BS. It's a car 8, but it's, why is that a car? Never mind. I don't know. Okay, shipwire user, shipwire pass. Alright. Data constructor, not in scope. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Bucket. Ambiguous occurrence name. Wow. Those were shipwire host. Okay. Okay. See how that flies. Ambiguous type variable 106. It's because I'm not telling it how to use these things. Yeah, that's fine. Do I have a failure mode here? Code UTF-8 could fail. Not much though. App shipwire config. Okay. Alrighty then. Alright, looks like that's compiling now. So now we have a shipwire config in the context of our app settings. So now what we need to do is make something kind of like this. Helpers shipwire, and then it's ballast and get shipwire config. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it's pretty raw. I should actually fix that up like I did with shipwire, because with the shipwire config, I was actually, you know, cleaning it up and turning it into the thing it's actually supposed to be. But for Stripe, I didn't. Later. Okay, so that's just going to be app shipwire config, I think. Okay, and then we're going to have run shipwire, run shipwire, run shipwire, run shipwire, shipwire failure. Alright, let's have a look at this. Error. Response errors. Generic response. Response errors, list of error. Maybe response errors. Products have their own error type. Alright, error, data, error code, error message, error type. Okie dokie. Response error, I think. Response errors. And that's just a list of. Alright. What does the client say? It's shipwire request. Shipwire request. Yes. Oh, I see. Make shipwire request. Return. I see. Generic response is the usual thing, I think. So that's wait. Ready? Yeah. Okay. So that has response status, response message, response resource, errors, location. Alright, cool. I'm gonna have to use the type family for this. which is shipwire return. Yeah. Cool. So you just feed it. Oh, you know what? That reminds me. I don't think this is, hold on. Yeah. I'm not reusing my HTTP manager for the Stripe integration. F. I think the Stripe client's just spinning one up. Let's find out. Ah, come on. Why can't I see the source? Ugh. Stripe HTTP streams, source streams, Stripe with connection. Ugh. Right. I wouldn't really be able to do so easily even if I wanted to, because it's using HTTP streams, not HTTP client. Note to self. Do something about that later. Maybe even... I don't know. I don't know how the connection pooling for HTTP streams behaves. But at least I can fix it for Shipwire. Okay, so... It's going to be in the app type. So the app type... Yeah, app HTTP manager. So that's going to be... okay, HTTP manager... app HTTP manager shipwire config shipwire config shipwire return shipwire request shipwire return shipwire shipwire config and I think this actually does the same thing. It does. Huh. Interesting. The test function does the thing closer to the need for production. I will leave it alone for now. Okay. And that's a shipwire request, a tuple. Huh. I wonder what's going on with that type. Why does that have 2 extra parameters from what I would expect? They're phantom. Huh. Is that... Nope, I don't know what those are for. Huh. Weird. Alright. Alright, touch that. Dog that are asleep or very nearly so. Okay. Let me think here. Shipwire. Oh, it's in client. Where's client? Yeah, dun 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 dun. Alright. Yeah, it's either shipwire or error. Yeah, okay. Alright. So that works out fine. And then that can just be that. And cool. Alright, so alright, so now I've got helpers for that. And we're gonna want to take a look at that. BSL, stripe return. Oh, yeah. Place that, and then I need to bring in import qualified data.bytestring.lazy is BSL, and load source helpers shipwire stripe failure. Yeah, that's because it's shipwire failure. Stripe config. Got all these rewrites. Alright. Good, good, good. Alright. Actually, did I have L byte string as scope by default? I do. So I can just rename these to L byte string because the classy prelude already has that. Or the Yesod augmentation of classy prelude. One of the two. Whatever. Okay. Alright. Ship to receiving. We're gonna want to look at docs, I think. Alright. Order. Manage fulfillment orders. Use it to create new orders, update, cancel, or get information about already created orders. Please read our tutorial for additional implementation ideas on using the order API. Alright, purchase order. Still not... I can never really figure out, like, exactly what a purchase order is. I feel like I should know, you know? I feel like I should know what that is. Oh well. Alright, container. Manage shipping containers. Alright. Don't think I'm going to get any of those. Address validation. Hey. Only available by request. Uh-oh. Oh, they're going to be a pain in the ass, aren't they? Well, I should look into this. I can use the Google address validation API, I think. I think they have one. But, I should look into it. So, valid, there we go. Address validation confirmation. Alright. Stock. Get stock information, adjust inventory levels. Only applicable to Shipwire Anywhere warehouses. I think that's what we're doing for testing, but that's not going to be applicable for production because it's going to be Shipwire's warehouse. I'm not storing the books in my house. Kamatama says, I think a PO is just a promise by an external source to pay the vendor, usually affiliated with a number and verified by the amount of the purchase. Alright, fair enough. Like layaway, but for people with a lot of money. Stock. Also, welcome, Kamatama. Good to see you again. And if you don't know what layaway is, you definitely did not grow up poor. Nothing better than the Big Lots layaway counter. Alright, so I could probably start with stock. Just poke at it and see what happens. Oh. Alright, so this needs a handler, but why am I lift IOing a concrete IO action? What in tarnation? Alright, am I doing the same thing in Stripe? I am, and you people didn't catch me when I was doing it. Dang it. You're supposed to tell me when I make mistakes. The lift, the Monad.io instance for IO is just identity. Because you're already in IO, you don't need to lift anymore. Okay, helper Shipwire, there we go. Accidentally lift IOing IO, I think, is one of my least favorite mistakes that come up in code review. I hate it when I forget that. Kamatana says we were eating ice cream. I don't know how long it's been since I've had ice cream. It's been a while. It's been even longer since I've had ice cream that I was actually really into. I really like homemade ice cream. That's really my thing. I love like Amish style homemade ice cream. It's so good. It's so much better than what you get at the store. I wonder if it's... There's got to be at least one company that makes like Amish homemade style ice cream. I'm not crazy, right? Like that's... Does it just not keep? Is that why I can't find it? That has to be it. Because if you could keep it, like if you could stock it for any length of time, like you'd think people would be into that. Alright. So run Shipwire Prime. I am going to make a derivative of this. Erlen Sona says, Jenny's, Nashville's legit. Jenny's, Nashville. Nashville Jenny's? Jenny's Nashville? Oh, I see. Jenny's is a thing in Nashville, and then they make ice cream. Okay. Yeah, very, very act local, think local looking thing. Alright. I'm not in Nashville, though. Alright. That's, we'll keep that in mind if I go to Nashville. Alright, run, shipwire, REPL. I don't want to... Man, the friggin' credentials thing for this shipwire API is making me a little salty. Okay. So this is a common thing I'll do. If I know I'm gonna test something in the REPL, I'll make a helper that runs in IO, and that just kind of pulls everything it needs to run so that I can actually poke at things without having to loop it into the web app. Not strictly mandatory. It's not that hard to just have like a little debug handler that just dumps output to the template. It's not that hard, but it's faster if you can just do it in the REPL, basically. Okay, so for get shipwire config REPL, I'm gonna rip off the test code because I'm pretty certain he's got sandbox and config somewhere. Yeah. Oh, it's actually in types. Alright, sandbox and config. Dun, dun, dun. Credentials, env. Possibly a bad idea. I don't know why they auth like this. Me neither, man. Me neither. God. Ugh. Alright. What? Alright. Let me see here. I need to... Where's the settings? Okay, LP shipwire user and LP shipwire user, LP shipwire pass, and microbic music cast. Is this Haskell? Yep, this is Haskell. Dun, dun, dun. It is indeed. Alright, so that's I'm going to comment that out because I don't want to accidentally use it. And then this is going to be sandbox config. Ugh! Want to bake it in there. And then... Okay. BSA pack. I bet I don't need the prefix. Import password, ballast.password, hiding password, sandbox env config. Oh, yeah, okay. Import system dot environment. Alright. And dun dun dun. Car with word 8. Ugh. String, alright. Alright, there we go. so that's compiling now. Alright, run shipwire REPL. So let's have a look at stock request. That's a phantom type. What does the README say? Does it have stock implemented? It does. It has the get implemented. So it's got to be in the tests then, right? So let's have a look at tests here. Example no. Items, product SKU, item info, product SKU, quantity 5. So get stock info. Get stock. Don't. Huh. That's a little opaque. Alright, whatever. I've got a working example. SKU. Test get Haskell book stock. IO either shipwire error, shipwire return, stock response, stock resource, run shipwire REPL, get stock info, reload. Alright. It worked the first time. God bless you, Lexi. Alright, so successful response. Stock is 0, I think. I think so. So I need to set the beta.shipwire, sign in, no, beta password, and I need to set the stock for this. I can't do it from the API, so I'll do it in here. Inventory, yes. Alright, so check restock. Come on, don't let me fill out a form. Let me just assert a stock for this. Expand. Create order. Add inventory order. I guess this is what I have to do. Nuts. Okay. Alright. Oh my god. Alright. United States. Dun, 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 dun. Missing country. Really? It's there you go. You happy now? Happy that I clicked it? Alright. Yeah. So what will be sent? Quantity. I kind of need a bunch of these for testing, so we're going to say 9,999. And the content above needs your attention. Oh my god. Alright. This is the fake thing. Come on, don't mess with me. Alright, fleet. What? $16 cubic meters. Alright. Everything exceeds 16 cubic meters. How big did I tell them this item was? Home. Can I change the product info? Inventory, product catalog. Edit. Okay, so this is actually true to the original. So we're not going to do that anymore. Or does it matter? I don't know. Does the sandbox isn't actually going to bill me, right? Yep, hell with it. I'll just next. Yep. Pallets. It's gonna be. We're gonna have 10,000 books on one pallet. There you go. I'll send it on my own. You should expect it to arrive today. And I'll. My God. Does this receiving require special treatment? No. Yes. 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 A security deposit of 12 grand will be required upon delivery. Oh my God. I have exceeded the limit for credit card use and will need to transfer the products I'm sending are not high value, i.e. jewelry. Okay. It's not actually going to make me wait until the 24th, right? Let's go to inventory. Fuck, it is. No way. Damn. At least you can see that something's pending. Oh my God, I don't know how Lexi set this before. Ugh, I'm gonna ask him. Okay. Alright, I asked Alexi if he knows how to do this. Beta, shipwire, force, inventory, stock. Product. Modify products. Could I do it if I had the adjust working? Let me see here. I mean, maybe. Request, new quantity, delta, okay. So, maybe. Papu, stop. Warehouse processing. Oh, I see. Mark received. Ready for shipment, yes. Okay, and if I go back to inventory. Yeah! Alright, let's see here. Stock item resource, good. Cool. Yay. Alright, so we have the ability to check the stock of things. Telling Alexia's library is good. Alright. So... Alright. So all I really have to do is just reach through the data type a little bit and just grab that value. Not a big deal, I think. Warehouse region, test 1. Indeed. Oh, I don't know how I'm going to do warehouses for international. There's only like 2 international warehouses. Shipwire, warehouse, locations. Okay, global order fulfillment. Essex, Tilburg, Tinshui, Hawaii, and Sydney. Oh man, that's rough. I have to figure out how to allocate this. Alright. That is not where Tennessee is, okay? That's not where Tennessee is. Right? Right? Maybe if it... No, they have it above, like, Louisiana. Yeah, they have it, like, slightly west of the center of Louisiana, which would be, like, right there in Iowa or Missouri. No, Tennessee's, like, over under Michigan. That's not how you do maps. Fools. Alright. So, hi, dog. Yeah, I know. I know, dog. You'll get over it. Alright, so... That's cool. Wait a second. I did get stock info of every SKU. Right, so let's narrow that down. Where's that test? Test. Get stock info. Yeah, so it's SKU, Haskell book SKU, and rerun. Alright, so pretty much same deal, except now I'm just limiting it to a single SKU. Okay. Alright, Poppy, stop. Keeps licking my leg. Okay. Dum-dum-dum. 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 Okay. So that's done. What else do I need to care about? I need to get rate working. Because I need to be able to quote customers. So items. Rate. Good. We do have lots of receiving. Lots of receiving stuff. Oh, it's rough. We're gonna have to get that eventually. I'll have to do it manually at first or something. I don't know. Product I shouldn't ever have to do programmatically. I think I don't... How many books are there gonna be, you know? I can do that in the dashboard. Dog. Dog. Be quiet. Dog. You heard me. Hey. Hey. I will fight you in real life. Shush. Ooh. Version 3 and version 3.1. Dare I ask. Alright. Get rate. No. Alright, I'm just gonna have to search the test again. Dun 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 dun. Rate. Make get rate. Get rates. Rate options. Warehouse. Area. US. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Rate order. Example ship to. Example items. Product SKU. Create base product helper. Okay. Test. Get shipping. Rate. Haskell book. We need to create a rate request out of that. Run shipwire REPL. What is it? Let's just create rate request, get RT. And we need example items. So if we're shipping 5 books, that's going to be SKU, Haskell book SKU, and man, this could not have been fun to write a library for. Alright. Example ship to. I think this is a real address. Where is this? What is this? Snoqualmie. What is this? Why here? What? What is it? I don't even know what this is. Okay. Is this a reference to something? It's room 315 in the lodge, I guess. I have no idea where Alexi got this address from. That is so funny. Okay. Alright. So... yeah. Sure. Parser and input. Yeah, sure. There we go. Erlen Sona says maybe that's where he was working on the slot lib. No, I actually know where he lives. He wasn't there. But maybe somewhere he's been before. Make it rate What? Variable not in scope. Make it right. What? Oh. Well. Wait a second. Why? Alright, whatever. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and drop that type signature knowledge on this code. And could have been, yeah, it could have been there for vacation. I don't know. Test get shipping rate Haskell bug. Oh my lord. All right. Let's work this slowly. All right. So US. Okay. So there's different options. The next day, USPS, trackable, cost amount $162. Oh lord. Let's see here. Okay, I need to get a pretty printer for this. So, yeah, Erlen Sona just said, isn't there a pretty printer function for stuff like this? Yes. There's a library I always use for this. Is it pretty? I can never remember the name of it. I usually call it pprint or something. No, that's not it. And Erlen Sona says, how did you find the one you prefer in that giant list of options? I just tried a bunch one day when I was like really irritated that I didn't have a thing for that. I'm gonna check another project I've worked on and see if I can find what I did for this. Yep, okay. Yeah, pretty certain it's this guy. Import, no foundation. Okay, don't need it there. Just need to add it here, and that's going to be here, P, Q, R. I don't know what version. Just make it happen, Captain. Go back here. And Sona says busting in a curse, isn't it? Not really. I can test a bunch of pretty printing libraries a lot faster than I can write one. A lot faster. Alright, so pprint and pprint, not in scope. There you go. Alright. Couldn't match type. Ah, yeah, fair enough. there's a solution to this. Resp, pprint, resp, return, resp. It's gonna double print, but I don't really care. Get shipping rate Haskell book. Yeah, alright. Oh boy. Yeah, alright. We're gonna just do a little bit of that. Alright. Next day. 162. God. Alright. Insurance, packaging, handling. Oh, it's actually good that I didn't mangle the dimensions, because it's actually giving me more accurate shipping quotes as a result. Alright, let's get to the next. Oh. That's it? Is there only one shipping option? Well, that's not good. Did I specify that in the code? What? Why am I not getting any other options? Ship to commercial? I guess that technically is commercial. Alright, what if I... What? Yeah, shipment pieces. Subtotals cost is $32 if there's one book, which, you know, makes a lot of sense. Alright. Let's see how rate quote shipping options work. Expected ship date, high accuracy estimates. Requests will take longer but have more accurate delivery estimates. That's interesting. It doesn't have any way for me to say, give me more options, huh? Huh. That's not good. Fuck. Is it because of the warehouse? Service levels, same day shipping service, next day shipping, same day shipping. That's just shipping from the thing. Okay, carrier guide. Shipping from the US, choosing a carrier, USPS. Alright, trackable and delivery confirmation. Okay, let's see here. Third-party carrier. Alright. Where's the beta? Alright. Count. Shipping preferences, I think. Shipwire chooses best carrier. Shipwire will choose the most cost-effective carrier within the chosen service level. Am I specifying one-day shipping somewhere here? What have I done to specify 1 day of shipping. I feel like I haven't actually done anything to specify that. Wow. That's a lot of stuff. Enable uninsured carriers. Yikes. Wow, why would you do that? Alright, hold orders above specified shipping cost. Multiple submit orders to warehouse. Alright, hold on. Okay. Within the chosen service level. I mean, I definitely see the service level thing here, but I'm trying to figure out why I'm only getting the one quote. Shipwire, rate, specify service level. Service levels policy, receiving service levels, order fulfillment service level guarantee. Good lord. Service level claims. Okay. That's receiving. That's something I've already read. Alright. Alright. Support, ship to customers. Do they say anything about it? Yes. Choosing a carrier. Tell me about this. What is delivery confirmation? Only offer 1 day, 2 day, and ground. You know, I'd really like to be able to set that kind of thing. Not really sure how. Shipping, preferences, billing, inventory, orders, returns. Yeah. That all looks normal. Rate, order. What if I say beta? Beta. Does anything change or is it all the same? It's probably the same. Should be the same. That's the response. That's the request. Options. Expected ship date. Sets the date for when the shipments are expected to leave the warehouse. What? What in tarnation? Create. F. source helper shipwire. Get info, create, rate, request. Expected ship date. So it is a thing, but it's set to nothing. I don't know what the default is. Shipwire, expected ship date. What does it mean? What does it mean? Expected. Common test order issues. Inbound shipment stuck in customs. Refusing to pay for custom fees. What do I do? It will be abandoned. It will cost more than the value of the product to return it. Sometimes be disposal charges, which are generally less than the cost of shipping the product back. Okay. None of that's relevant. Okay. Just ignore unknown SKUs. Wait, what's group by? What's this group by thing? Group by... Where'd you go? Dun, dun, dun. Group. Group different rates. Valid options are all default and warehouse. Sure. Channel name predefined. So shipping. Yeah, I don't think I'm setting that. Can split. Seem like good defaults to me. Okay. High accuracy estimates. High accuracy estimates. Just reload. High accuracy estimates. Oh, I'm probably just doing it wrong. No, that's it. How would this data constructor not be in scope? High accuracy estimates. I don't think it's getting exported. That's alright. We can fix that in a jiffy. Alright, so ballast. My old friend. Git remote add Alexi Zab git at gitup.com. Alexi Zab ballast.git. Git rebase Alexi Zab master. Is that the right syntax? Nope. Nope. Fuck it. I don't care. Alright, there we go. Push that up. Then Export high accuracy estimates. Where's rate? Get rate, rate options. High accuracy estimates. High accuracy. Just do that and done. Git push you origin export, and that's what commit. Wait, it's in the branch. Derp. That. Nope, I don't want to edit ballast. I want to edit teak, stack. Ship line. All right, I modified ballast, so it's gonna be a minute. Wait, damn it! Develop finished already. That's annoying. Well, hopefully I don't have to edit it again. Meanwhile, read our tutorial. Ah! F. I needed this. Alright, hold on. Currently, service level code. Wait. Service get orders options, create orders options. I could do it for an order, but not a rate quote. What? Rate options. Why can't I set a service level for a rate quote? Why though? All right. Yeah, that's. Wait a second. Let's see, rate and orders resources. I bet this is secret functionality. It doesn't document in the formal API or something. It's gonna be one of those things, isn't it? Post. Yeah. Okay. And that goes under options, you say? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I'm gonna end up recompiling ballast. This is awful. But branch, add service level, rate option. Alright. Work, ballast, source ballast types. Create option service level code. And that's going to be maybe, looks like the same little code. Yeah, looks good. Alright, so rate options, service level code, and then instanced to JSON rate options and service level code. Oops. There we go. Rate option service level code. Yes. Alright, we're gonna. There we go. Wait, that's not gonna work. Fuck it, fuck it. I don't have the right environment variable set for that, but that's fine. It's fine. Alright, so we are going to edit service level code to write option. Man, it would be just like shipwired in a document, something like this. Alright. Right, so no, don't get excited, dog. I'm not invoking you. Calm down. Where's that SHA one? Yes, I know. I have 2 branches now. Commit, add service level rate option, commit. Make GCI. Alright. Hi, dog. Oh, hi, other dog. Oh, yeah, I know. There's the dog. Alright. Just burning time. Waiting for the compile. Might as well fix up the code that I know is going to break. So we want just service level code. Alright, what if I say domestic ground? What then? I guess we'll find out. Max says you're better at Haskell than me. I've spent a fair amount of the last few years writing Haskell, and I do it for a living, which makes it easier to get more time with it. Okay, well, so this thingy thinks it compiles, so we're gonna give this a shot. Still trying with this little bone thing. Come on. Come on. Hmm? Come on. I swear to God, jeez, he is so slow. mean, to be fair, like, the Devel finished a long time ago, but GCI just really chokes on this, and I don't know why. Alright, source helpers. Yeah, hi, Matthew. No, I remember you I knew it was you, because I know the Mac 10 handle. I know that handle, and I knew it was you. I remember you, man. You gave us good feedback for the book. Shipwire. And then test get shipping. Yeah, you emailed us a lot. You did good work for us on the book. Your feedback helped quite a bit. Okay. Well, shipping cost is a lot lower, but I think it's still only giving me one option. This is domestic 1 day. USPS PM. This might be the same damn thing. What? Yeah, I think it's still just giving me one. That's really weird. And it's still next day service. What? Alright, is there some other mystery option that I'm missing here? Ugh. Check inventories. I don't get it. Is he giving me next day because of the time of day? In the response, Shipwire API returns best shipping rates based on our intelligent shipping optimization. Returns expected shipment date and estimated delivery dates for each option. Wait. Yeah, okay. Post, rate, currency, group by, warehouse. Shipping from Los Angeles warehouse. Ground, next day, other delivery services, shipping from other locations. Okay. So the problem I'm having here is that we create a Shipwire Anywhere warehouse for testing, but the problem is I don't know if the weird rate quoting behavior, I don't know if that's because of Shipwire Anywhere or not. It may very well be. But until I poke at the real thing, I'm not really gonna know for sure. So for now, unfortunately, I just kind of have to take the first option they give me and roll with that. I'm not really gonna be able to evaluate or compare for now. But what I should do is ping them and see what they say. So let's go to support and contact us, I think. Pricing quote for my order history. Not quite. Customer care. Yeah, I know you can see my phone number. I don't care. And the problem is that or send an email directly to info@shipwire. I guess I could have done that. Well, it's not sending, so I'm gonna have to email it manually. Okay, send them an email, since their support form doesn't work. It's always super encouraging. Alrighty then, so... Alright, so yeah, I'm just gonna have to roll with that. So, what we've got now... Alright, so we've got stock, rate, and it's pretty much order now, right? Let's try one more thing. Pretty much same thing, right? This time it's USPS XP, and it's $32. And now it's back to USPS PM, and it's 8:15. Okie doke. I guess shipping the book will cost between $8 and $40. I don't know. Ugh. I'm probably just gonna have to hop on the phone with them. Find out what's going on. I've seen this little spinny loader before. I recognize you. Let's try refreshing. Alright. Come on. Got gigabit internet and it takes it a while just to load an API. God. Itemized list of orders. Information about an order. Create a new order. Modify information about this order. Cancel this order. Get the contents of this order. Get the list of holds, if any, on the order. Tracking information for this order. Create new trackings, endpoint only for shipwire anywhere. Oh my god. Alright. I think we just want to create a new order. Alright, so test, create order, Haskell book. Go to the test. Let me see here. Test. Create order. Example of order. What is with these random addresses in Washington? Is that postcode even valid? I don't think that's even valid. Disk. Alright. I don't understand the commercial not... No, I know that is, but I'm just irritated with weirdness. Okay. So that's an example order. What is random part? Why would I specify the order number? I guess so I can know up front what it's going to be on my end. Oh, man. Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay. Warehouse ID. Hi, Jack. What is my warehouse ID? Do I have one? Dog, quit bumping the microphone. Thank you. Hi, dog. Yeah, hi, yep. Hi. Alright, can I, yeah, thanks. Home. Oh. Alright then. Just keep me logged in, man. Alright, your session, yeah, okay. Go away. Warehouse. Is it just a test warehouse? Does he have the warehouse listing implemented? Because that kind of solves my problem if he does. I don't think he does. Unless it's like part of receiving. Oh man. Get a collection of warehouses. We'll run with that for now. And that's going to be okay. So don't need that. We need example. Okay. Back to the test. Example order. Create order helper. Create order helper. It's just always getting fed to create order helper. So this does. Come on, dogs. Be nice. Hi. I think the dogs are gonna start wrestling. God, stop! I can't. Stop. Alright. Create order, get order. Yeah, okay. So it's just asserting, hi, how you doing? You doing good? That's good. Yeah. Alright. So let's just create order, I think. Yeah. Create order. Reload. Do ambiguous occurrence email. T.text. No need for that. T.concat. Hopefully not need for that. One, two, get orders. Let's create order request. And whatever ship wire return of that is. Can't be arsed. Example order is applied to too few arguments. Yeah, so one Haskell skew, I think. Yeah. Should really just lift that out, but you know. What are you gonna do? Alright, that worked. Successful. I'm a little surprised, particularly given the warning. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Resource location. Yep, test order 1. Commerce name. Go rear. Get orders response resource item resource. This is bureaucratic hell. Oh my god. I'm so glad Alexi wrote this library. Doing this manually in JSON would be fucking crazy. Okay, we've got a bunch of resource locations we don't really give a shit about. Although, writing a parser for these to turn them into Haskell data types would be kind of cool. Alright. Just carrier code, empty string. Yeah. Ship from, fulfillment center. Okay, ship to resource, we know that one. Shipping label response. Events, pricing. Pricing estimate, ship wire anywhere. Split orders response. Am I getting a shitload of resource locations because I didn't set it to expand anything? Is that why it's being a dick? Response total equals 1. Yeah, sure. I want to know what the cost of the shipping was according to it. See get list schema. Wow. What an ass. Create a new order. So this one. See get list response. Okay. Get what? Get itemized list. Okay. Parameters. Response. Items. Ship. Ship. How do I find out how much this cost me? Cost, price, pricing? Pricing. Alright. So, pricing? Pricing? 0. I'm guessing that's because of the bad warehouse ID. Alright, let's try fixing it. Where's that warehouse ID? What's going on here? It's an integer. What is warehouse ID? Filter by warehouse ID, comma separated list. Warehouse external ID. That's the one I want, isn't it? Let's have a look at create order options. Create order options. Indeed. Alright. Show me what warehouse external ID looks like. There it is. It's a new type of text. So if I do nothing and just warehouse external ID test warehouse, I think. Let's give this a shot. Oh, didn't do it right. Create order options. Warehouse ID, warehouse external ID. Well, that's what I did. Oh, I duplicated, I think. Yeah, okay. Test, create order. Wait. Pricing. Fuck. Alright. Let's see the warnings. Warehouse external ID test warehouse is invalid. Alright, ship anywhere. Man, this mode of testing is gonna fucking kill me. My account. I need to figure out how to test it with their warehouse instead of a test warehouse. Man, yeah, that's not good. Review quote. Oh, look. Quote in progress. Yeah, so it's just holding the order until I fix it, I think. Yeah. I haven't seen this order configuration before. Really? I gave you the SKU. quantity 1, commercially 75, and let's fix the ship to here. Where's ship to? I was able to get quotes for that one. Okay. So we're gonna save this, and we're gonna do looks like it's otherwise identical. This should be nothing instead of an empty string. So make that country US. Country versus region. State versus region. What entire nation? Alright. Looks like postal code comes after state in this case. Oof. Alright. Just and this one was a just. Alright, we'll try that. Kind of expected that. Info, where ship to? Yeah, sure. Come on. Alright. Email. Name. Company. 1, 2, 3. City, state, postal code, country, phone. It's text. Fair enough. Oh, what now? Yeah, just. Alright, test, create, order, ask about. Still 0. Still warning. Oh, because the ID. Shipwire, warehouse IDs. Container is external warehouse ID. Maybe. No, it can't be, because that was number only. Ugh. Alright. Alright, let's get back to the dashboard here. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. Dog. Okay, so this is the latest one right here. And it's giving me basically the same deal. Yeah. You requested UPS next day air for orders shipping from a US warehouse of the next day. Did I now? Where did I say that? Get a shipping label. Get a shipping quote. quote. Oh. Alright then. Here. I'm shipping to New York. I have quantity 1. Wow, I'm missing a lot of books. Alright. Alright. It's based on test warehouse. So maybe it'll be better in a real warehouse. Alright. Whatever. Yeah, this is really annoying. I basically can't really test anything conclusively until I know what's going on with the warehouse stuff. Huh. Create a test order. I mean, I kind of did. Shipping details. Your account is currently configured. Interested in using Shipwire warehouses? Yes. Yeah. How do I turn that on? Get started. Enable global fulfillment. Alright, send another email. Sent email, info. Further, I would like to enable global fulfillment solutions on my beta sandbox account so I can test Shipwire integration with one of your warehouses rather than Shipwire anywhere. Send. Alright. I have no idea what Alexi's using for testing in the library. You know, I once got cooking lessons from somebody in Sunnyvale. No, I don't know my party's extension. Ooh, the following options may have changed. Press 1, yeah. Customer care department. Send me to those people. Alright. Your call may be recorded for quality assurance. I'm going to be surprised if they're actually there. On the other hand, it's an international shipping company. Oh, hey, how you doing? I wasn't actually expecting you guys to be there. Okay, so, I am a programmer, but I'm also the proprietor of a small business, and I'm trying to get Shipwire integrated with my website. Now, in order for me to do that, I'm using the beta.shipwire.com. That's like your test sandbox. Do I have that right? The beta.shipwire.com API. That's kind of your sandbox API. Do I have that right? Yeah, okay, cool. So right now, all I have is a Shipwire Anywhere warehouse. I can't test it with one of your warehouses until you enable the global fulfillment options for my test account. Do you want my email? Okay, so it's going to be letter C, letter M, letter A, at bitemyapp.com. That's BITEMYAPP.com. YAPP. And that's my account. Oh, yeah, lore, yeah. Apparently, that little thing is my account name. Alright.
So here's what I'll do. To further assist you with this, I need to have one of our sales reps contact you.
Okay.
Can I have your phone number and email address?
Yeah, sure.
Here with you that you gave me earlier.
Yeah, the email address I gave you is fine. The phone number is 512-713-6543.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll create a case here and I'll request for a call back from one of our sales reps to contact you as soon as possible. With regards to testing that you're doing with your account to integrate in your website with Shipwire.
Alrighty then.
Okay, anything else from this one?
Nah, I think that'll do it.
Okay, thank you for calling your micro.
Thank you.
Have a good night. Bye.
You too. So, I have to talk to a sales rep before they'll enable my account, make me a real boy. Alright. Well then. Let me see here. Orders, inventory activity. Well, I technically did put in a create order request. And I could... So probably what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to just wire this up as if it works and makes sense. And then just try to like get the stuff returning real results separately of that. Because I can't really wait for whenever they're going to do their thing. I don't know. I guess they're going to call me sometime tomorrow maybe. I don't know. Let me see here. Let's see here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. I'll probably just turn these static values into little helpers, something like that. Commercial, PO box. Yeah. Okie doke. It's interesting. Administrating this is going to be fun, I can already tell. Unverified address. I think it's real. 5 plus 2. Yeah. Oh, 5 plus 1. Yeah. That's why it's 99.88. Okay. That's why the quantity changed the way it did. Oh man, my dogs are gonna put on the waterworks now. All right. So I'm gonna call this a stopping point. What's gonna probably happen next time I join you is I will start wiring up the Shipwire integration into the web app as if the Shipwire stuff made sense and worked. And hopefully that won't take too long. It will involve changing the models quite a bit though, because I need to start saving everything Shipwire sends me in the database in case I need to double check something between Shipwire and my website. Yeah, that's all from me. thanks everyone for joining me tonight for the somewhat unusual and boring stream. Sorry about that. Have a good night, everybody. And as always, you can catch me on Twitter at BiteMyApp. And if you have any questions, bye. Oh, here's the dog. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're just too much, aren't you? Yeah. All right. Good night, everyone.